Hey guys, it's Makinde and welcome back to another video. So I saw this post on versus.com where it basically says the Helio G80 is better than the Snapdragon 720, and I was curious and I didn't want to believe it, so I just decided to make a real life speed test of the two processors. So luckily here we have the Redmi Note 9S, which is powered by the Snapdragon 720G, and we have the Redmi 9 here, which is powered by the Helio G80, and I'm going to be putting them in a real life test to see which of these phones is faster and which of them would launch application better. First, I'd like to say we have some slight difference in the two devices. The Redmi Note 9S has 4 gigs of RAM and the Redmi 9 has just 3 gigs of RAM. I don't think this should be a major issue, but we'll take it into consideration when we're looking at the tests. So first we need to check the benchmark and unlocking this, and let's look at the benchmark scores.
Also, if you're watching this and you've not subscribed to my channel, consider hitting on that subscribe button and also clicking the bell button to be among the first to get notifications when I post new videos.
So we can see that there's a considerably large difference between the scores of the two devices. On the Redmi Note 9S we have 252,998 and the Redmi 9 we have 183,000, which is almost about 70,000 difference in both scores. But let's go in and see the major scores. Here we have for the CPU we have 100,000 and we have 74,000 here, and for the GPU we have 49,000 and about 33,000 on the Redmi 9. You can see that obviously the Redmi Note 9S has the more superior processor, which is the 720G, while these just have a lesser processor. But let's see how do we hold up in the test. Before we jump into the test, both devices are running Android 10 and MIUI 11, and the apps we're going to be testing are just the native apps, social media, productivity, editing apps, and some games. You can see that both apps have Android 10 and are both running MIUI 11, so they are both running the same software, although this has 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gig storage, and this has 4 gig RAM and 64 gig storage. So before we go into the test, let's just restart both devices and we see which device would come up first. So we can see that the Redmi 9 has a faster boot time. So let's go on to launch the apps and see which one would launch first. So starting off with the camera.
From the test, we can see that the Redmi Note 9S with the Snapdragon 720G was faster in 10 applications, including faster photo editing, while the Redmi 9 with the G80 was faster in 6 applications, including faster video editing. They both tied in 6 applications. Clearly, we can see that the 720G is the more powerful processor. Now we're going to launch some random apps to check out the RAM management. Well, you can see that like most Xiaomi devices, idle apps are being killed to prevent them from eating up RAM resources. That's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell button to get notifications when I post new videos. I'll see you in another video. Peace.